Welcome to MBBS Council. In this video, I am going to talk about new medical college which is coming up in Maharashtra with 350 seats for 2022-23 admission. This college will have 50% seats allotted through All India Quota Counselling and another 50% through Maharashtra State Quota Counselling. If you are new to this channel and looking for MBBS or PG admission, subscribe to this channel now and click the bell icon to get regular updates. Maharashtra University of Health Sciences asked for permission to start new medical college like Postgraduate Institute of Medical Education and Research Chandigarh in Maharashtra. National Medical Commission as well as Union Health and Family Welfare Ministry has given green signal for this project. The college will begin from 2022 onwards. Recruitment for 57 faculties is currently going on and it will be completed by end of this month. After the recruitment, NMC will do inspection before giving the final permission. Temporarily, the college would use Nasik Civil Hospital for conducting the classes. This hospital has 600 beds with 6 operation theatres. Hostel facilities would be provided to students from the Maharashtra University of Health Sciences campus. This college is expected to have 6 post-graduation courses with 50 seats each. The courses are General Medicine, General Surgery, Orthopedics, Anesthesia, Pediatrics, Obstetrics and Gynecology, Emergency Medicine with Maternity and Child Welfare. So in total, this will add 350 PG seats in Maharashtra. This brings us to the end of this video. If you like this video, please cheer us by clicking the thumbs up button. If you are looking for admission guidance, install MBBS Council app. Link is given in the description below. See you in the next video.